Read a little more so I can educate my peers. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Since serenity is on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade back here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing looks for rainy days, for chill days. It's raining outside, it's ugly. On those days you don't feel like getting dressed, but you want to be cute, so I put together a few looks to match that occasion. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the outfits. Let me know which outfits you like down below. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more from me. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together. Mwah.
Machine.